Hello friends, I hope you are looking for a Pilates reformer. So you have clicked this video. In this video we will discuss Pilates reformers which are best sold and achieve top-rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. AeroPilates Pro Pilates Reformer. We chose the AeroPilates Pro Reformer as our top choice because it's a versatile, comfortable reformer you can use for a variety of exercises. It has a padded back platform, adjustable headrest, and high-density foam shoulder rests to support you as you tackle all your favorite Pilates exercises. At one end of the reformer, you'll find a padded foot bar that you can adjust to 3 different positions. You can also remove the foot bar entirely, and replace it with a low-impact rebounder. At the other end of the reformer, you'll find 2 strap-equipped pulleys you can grip with your hands or wrap around your ankles. These pulleys hook up to a 4-cord resistance system, which you can easily adjust to increase, or reduce, the intensity of your workouts. Pros: adjustable. Wide range of resistance levels. Built-in transport wheels. Cons: large. Number 2. Merrithew at Home SPX Reformer Bundle. The Merrithew SPX Reformer Bundle will give you one classic reformer, plus all the accessories you need to start enjoying it. At one end of the reformer, you'll find a foot bar that you can adjust to 4 different positions. And at the other, you'll find 2 straps, which you can easily connect to the hand grips or roll-up pole the bundle ships with. The reformer's padded back platform can be adjusted to 6 different stopping positions, and if you want to make it a little longer, you can take advantage of the padded platform extender included in your bundle. Also nice. The bundle comes with a reformer box you can use to modify your workouts. This can be a particularly great way to alleviate pressure on tight hips. Pros: comfortable. Adjustable. Relatively compact. Cons: expensive. Number 3. Pilates Power Gym Reformer. The Pilates Power Gym Pro Mini Reformer offers a space-efficient way to get a solid Pilates reformer workout. At one end of the reformer, you'll find a sturdy foot bar connected to a small rebounder. This 2-in-1 functionality makes it easy to get a dynamic workout, without taking up any extra space. And at the other end of the reformer, you'll find pulleys you can use to tackle a range of exercises. In addition to being small, the reformer is also incredibly easy to store. Its adjustable incline settings make it easy to flatten, and its built-in transport wheels make it easy to move from room to room. Pros: small space-friendly. Relatively budget-friendly. Built-in transport wheels. Cons: not a very traditional option. Number 4. Balanced Body Allegro Reformer. This popular reformer is easy to use and highly adjustable, accommodating a great variety of body types and heights with its 4 horizontal and vertical positions. The headrest can be positioned 3 ways, and the shoulder rests can move to up to 4 positions or be completely removed if preferred. You'll find 5 signature springs as well as spring collars. Our experts like that the portable reformer can be moved on its transport wheels and stored vertically. Plus, you can add on compatible accessories like a tower, legs and mat conversion. Reviewers raved about the quality and durability too. Number 5. AeroPilates Premier Reformer. The AeroPilates Premier Reformer is a versatile, comfortable reformer that boasts all the features you need to get started with Pilates. At one end of the reformer, you'll find a rebounder that you can use for low-impact stretching and strength training. At the other end, you'll find 2 pulleys attached to plush straps you can grip with your hands or wrap around your ankles to tackle different exercises. These pulleys are connected to an easy-to-adjust cable system, so you can customize your workouts based on your needs. Pros: comfortable. Adjustable. Relatively compact. Cons: heavy.